Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. So this video is just quick and simple. It's on how to see the update history on a game that you do not own. Because I know I've had that question on how on earth you do that for the longest time and I couldn't ever figure it out. But it's actually really simple. So you just go to the store, like you go to the game you want to see the most recent updates on and stuff, and past updates and stuff. And you just scroll down to where you see this here, and then you're gonna click View Update History, and then it shows you all the recent updates. So you can see the most recent updates all here, and you got all this stuff here. It just puts you back in the store, but yeah, so it's just right there, and then you can see the past updates. Hope this helps clear things up. This was helpful to me, that's for sure. Um, I just figured that out just a few minutes ago, though, and that's actually really nice because I didn't think you could do that before. So, yeah, let me know. You guys have any questions? Hope you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. See ya.